Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, traders. Inshallah, the audio is better today. We've been fixing up these audio issues, been buying microphones left and right here. Alhamdulillah, we're going to be going over the trade that we took yesterday here and just finished up trading the PM session. Going to be dropping a video on that tonight, inshallah. So here we took a short trade on NQ. We also took it on ES here. I'm about to show you guys exactly why we had taken this trade. And let's get right into it. So we got our 15-minute order block right here. Let me go ahead and mark it up for you guys. Alrighty. And we tapped into the 15-minute order block here during the PM session Silver Bullet, 1 p.m. Central Time. And now I'm looking for a short now. And then same way, another confluence for us to go short was basically because we were in this 15-minute fair value gap as well. So we had respected that fair value gap and the 15-minute order block on ES. So we have confluences. The reason I took on NQ is because we were also in a new week opening gap. We had stronger confluence and more, equal lows to target. I believe it was on ES here. Let's take a look at the 1 minute real quick. Yeah, so we had equal lows down here. I had it marked out as a liquidity level. I had my take profit 1 is these equal lows, and my take profit 2 here. This wasn't take profit 3. This is something I drew from today. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that for your guys' eyes. Anyway, let's hop right back into the 3-minute time frame here, because that's what I took off of. You always want to be analyzing, the time frames you'd be taking a look at and this kind of thing. Anyway, this 15-minute fair value gap, I guess it was refined to the 3-minute here. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. Okay. There we go. We're going to ignore the unicorn setup we caught for today. We're going to go back to the silver bullet trade right here, all right? Okay, alhamdulillah, we got this nice short setup. So 15-minute order block, it's a PM session silver bullet. We've got equal lows to sweep out. That's our confluence here. We've got, after our, break of structure here, we got our microstructure shift right here. I'm going to go ahead and, it's already marked out for you guys. Level of liquidity, area of liquidity. Same thing on ES, except these are equal lows here. That's why I'm targeting them. Like I said, I went short on NQ because the setup is on NQ. Not only is the setup on NQ, you have the new week opening gap here on the NQ lining up with the 1 minute fair value gap. So tapped into that 1 minute fair value gap, one short, targeting the 2 levels here. That really is about it. So waited in this 1 minute fair value gap after our break of structure within a higher time frame area of confluence, higher time frame PD array, unfilled liquidity, whatever you want to call it. Find where the imbalance is. I'm going to go ahead and refine that a little bit for you guys, obviously, because fair value gaps are drawn wick to wick right here. It's the body of this candlestick here. So price had tapped into it, came right back down, swept this level of liquidity here, in this level area, you know what I mean, level of liquidity. I've been repeating the same words today over and over. We just got off a 3-hour live. So here we ran up, waited for a retracement, and let's see, it was a discount retracement as well. Let's see exactly. I'm going to go ahead and fix that up. But that's the low. There's the high. So we got a retracement into the 6.2 on the Fibonacci, which is past the 50%, so it is in a discount range. And we had tapped into it, so there's no need for me to wait on the 50% of this fair value gap if we're already in a discount range. I'm just going to go ahead and take a start at that fair value gap. It's not a very large fair value gap either for a 1 minute fair value gap here. So we had gotten short, ran up 44% for the day, alhamdulillah. And we had 2 take profits, take profit level 1, take profit level 2. And then, the trade ran for the rest of the day, actually, alhamdulillah. I didn't leave any runners on this trade. But all in all, if I let this trade run for 135 points, it would be a 6 risk to reward, 6-to-1 risk to reward. So very good, alhamdulillah. I had a lot of things to do. I had to head out, so I didn't even have time to leave any runners, alhamdulillah. So perfect catch today. I'm going to be going over this trade today here as well, alhamdulillah, and it seems like it wants to keep running. I still got 2 contracts left in this position, so we'll see how that does, inshallah. This one's over 100% play, so I'll be very happy to make a video on that, guys, for you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.